Here are my top tips for making Dalgona candy. 1. Work fast and safe with hot sugar. 2. 3 teaspoons sugar makes 1 Dalgona shape. I used way too much sugar, so yielded many unused shapes. 3. After adding baking soda, bicarbonate soda, turn off the heat. Do not leave your pan on the hot plate, as this will overcook the mixture, which will result in a darker brown color. 4. When pouring out the sugar mixture onto the baking paper, cut in your shape immediately. Then remove the shape before pouring out the next circle of mixture. Do not leave the shape in too long, as it will harden fast and break on removal, as I did. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.